So we have this application, Image Picker app, on which we have the UI, no image selected yet, pick image from gallery button, and take photo button. So let's get started to the code. So in this application, we use the image picker package, including the Dart.io library. So this package is the responsible for getting a image into your phone, which is using your files or galleries or your camera. So in this application, we have the image picker home state on which it will pick some image. So we have the image. So upon this statement, we have the take photo on which we have image picker which pick image. If we click this take photo, the image source is will be on the camera of your phone. Also, if we pick the pick image from gallery, it will access your pick file but on your cell phone. So we have the image picker app on our app bar. We have the image file so that it is we have the width of 200, height of 200, fit on box fit cover. So no image selected on the our application because it is the default. We don't have the image yet. So let's try if it is working. So we have the pick image from gallery and take photo. These buttons are in a row. So what is the use of the image picker? So let's see on how we can use this. So upon clicking the pick image, it will prompt on your screen, which is the photos and albums. So in my emulator, we don't have a photo or any pictures to use. So we are going to browse if ever we have some. So we don't have one yet. And let's see the photos. If we have some, no, we don't have. So let's try the take image. So it will use the camera of our huh, camera of our emulator. So let's take. So we have the image, and that's it. If you use the camera, it will automatically get the photo you take and upload it into your app. Same as this pick image from gallery on which you have to select a pick image on your files and it will automatically post in your application. That's the use of the image picker package. So how can we import the package of our application? So this line image picker. So if you can see, we have into dependencies and add this line on your dependencies, save it, and it automatically download the package. So run this command on your terminal to get the dependencies, download the packages you may need, and apply it into your application. So as you can see, I have downloaded the package and got the dependencies what I need to run this application. So that's how you use Image Picker as a package on your application. Thank you.